Today Jackson is 3 months and 2 weeks old. Oh my goodness. And he's starting to hold things. Here, Eddie. Dun, dun, dun. He was holding it. He never really was able to hold things before, but now, today's the first time I've seen this. He's grabbing things, holding them, trying to eat things. Then when I take it away, watch what he can do. He tries to act like he's on a boat. He drives. Dad taught him that. Show him what we did on the boat. Where'd he go? There you go. Drive the boat. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Good job. Good job. What does a race car do? Go. Drive the race car. Drive the race car. Drive the race car. Here we go. Ready, go. Drive the race car. Okay. Are you driving the race car? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Here. Do you want your toy? That's not really a toy, it's a napkin. Those feet, man. You don't like that? There. Drive the race car. Ready, go. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.